see you in the next round. All the best.
Thanks.
नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस के लिए जिनको बुलाना चाहूंगी और मैं चाहूंगी कि आप लोग जोरदार सीटियों के साथ उनका यहाँ पे स्वागत करें और वो है राहुल भारद्वाज.
Hi, this is Rahul Bhardwaj and I am from IIM Indore. I had passion for guitar. I had passion for music. Music for me in any sense is my passion. प्रीत की लत मोहे ऐसी लागी हो गई मैं मतवारी बन बन जाऊं अपने पिया को है मैं जाऊं बारी बारी मोह सुध बुध ना रही तन मन की ये तो जाने दुनिया सारी बेबस और लाचार फिरूं मैं हारी मैं दिल हारी हारी मैं दिल हारी तेरे नाम से जी लूं तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं तेरे नाम से जी लूं तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं तेरी जान के सदके मैं कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं तूने क्या कर डाला मर गई मैं मिट गई मैं हो जी हाँ जी हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी दीवानी तेरी दीवानी दीवानी तेरी दीवानी दीवानी तेरी दीवानी दीवानी.
Okay, now let's move on to our judges. What do they have to say?
आपको जजेस से भी पूरा सपोर्ट मिला है. So that's really brilliant. I mean, very nice singing. You sang very well. Your control, you were so comfortable on stage. You've been singing on stage before?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because I could make out the way you were telling the band ki tempo banaye and all. You know, a person who's coming for the first, second time doesn't know all those things. And the way you were reacting to the crowd and, you know, putting your hand out onto the exact words. It was very nice.
Rahul, you were very good. That's why you were here today.
Thank you.
Since yesterday. लेकिन मेरा एक सवाल है. सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए आपने क्या खाया?
मैम आज मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया और लंच भी नहीं किया अभी तक मैंने.
If that's the case, then I'm going to follow you because your performance from yesterday to today has just gone to another level.
अब मैं आपके सामने यहाँ पे बुलाना चाहूंगी सूरज सोनी को जो कि यहाँ पे करेंगे हिप हॉप डांस.
Yesterday I performed on the fusion of pop freestyle and now today I'm going to perform on my best part of my dancing, Bollywood mixing, Bollywood fusion and with Western dancing.
Interesting. I really enjoyed it. Well, okay, now let me see what our judges have to say here.
When you're in a competition, and even if you're having fun and the audience loves it, always keep in mind it's a competition. Never lose sight of the bigger picture. Always keep in mind it's a competition and perform, leaving them wanting some more. Always. Don't give them their fill. Yeah? But you're a very good dancer. Well done.
Oh, okay, and Subi, you want to add in something?
Suraj, I'll be very frank with you. I think you were much better yesterday. Today you tried to put in a lot of things, a lot of them which did not match. First of all, you were too. I will say, it was not really a coordinated effort between one part of the song and the other song. Suppose there is a line for 3 seconds or 4 seconds. You were getting lost what to do there. It was looking like you're dancing for 3 seconds, then you're halting. Then you're dancing for 6 seconds, then you're halting. And of course, you were really overtired. You need to, I think you did not really follow what we told you yesterday. And you need to practice hard. You're a good dancer. And you really, if you work hard, I'm sure you can do wonders. All the best.
We have Tanya Singh Rajput, जो कि हमारे लिए करेंगी कथक डांस.
तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था जैसे मेरी सारी दुनिया में गीतों की रुत और रंगों की बरखा है, खुशबू की आंधी है, महकी हुई सी अब सारी फिजाएं हैं, बहकी हुई सी अब सारी हवाएं हैं, खोई हुई सी अब सारी दिशाएं हैं, बदली हुई सी अब सारी अदाएं हैं, जागी उमंगे हैं, धड़क रहा है दिल, सांसों में तू पाए हो तो नगमे है, आंखों में सपने हैं, सपनों में बीते हुए सारे वो लम्हे हैं. जब कोई आया था नजरों पे छाया था, दिल में समाया था, कैसे मैं बताऊं तुम्हें कैसा उसे पाया था, प्यार से चेहरे पे बिखरी जो जुल्फे तो ऐसा लगता था जैसे कोहरे के पीछे एक ओस में धुला हुआ फूल खिला है, जैसे बादल में एक चांद छुपा है और झांक रहा है, जैसे रात के पर्दे में एक सवेरा है, रोशन रोशन आंखों में सपनों का सागर, जिसमें प्रेम सितारों की चादर जैसे झलक रही है, लहरों लहरों बात करूं जैसे मोती बरसे, जैसे कहीं चांद की पायल गूंजे, जैसे कहीं शीशे के जाम गिरे और छन से टूटे, जैसे कोई छिप के सितार बजाए, जैसे कोई चांदनी रात में गाए, जैसे कोई हौले से पास बुलाए.
Thoroughly enjoyed, all of us. आपने सुना ही होगा कितनी तालियां आपके लिए बजी. Well, now let's move to our judges.
Amazing facial expressions. The way that is the key for a dancer. It was like such a joy to see you.
You enjoyed, you played to them, you performed. It was almost like you were doing theatre as well while you were dancing. Very well done.
Alright, so we're gonna take a short break and we'll see you in a while. Do enjoy yourself and I'll see you in a bit.
Welcome to another edition of the Maruti Suzuki Colors of Youth program. Color of Passion, first question coming up to our contestant from IMS. Aapka pehla sawal, if you're ready. Which of these refers to a problem with computers? And you have three options. The first option is A, virus, B, bacteria, or C, malaria.
I think it's A virus.
It's a virus, you're saying. Are you quite sure?
I'm sure.
Virus is absolutely correct. You get 10 full points there. Next question coming up for our student from IIM Indore. Which of these owns the Mumbai Indians? You have three options. A, Reliance, B, Deccan Chronicle, or C, Red Chillies.
Reliance?
Reliance? Reliance it is. Well done. 10 points there as well. Question 3 for our contestant number 3 from SIMS. Which industrialist had the Taj Mahal Hotel built in Mumbai, then of course it was called Bombay, in 1903? You have three options. A. Ardeshir Godrej, B. Jamsetji Tata, or C. G.D. Birla.